Hey guys, Mark Holmes here, and as always, thank you guys for watching, commenting, and subscribing to the Joe Boo Sports Report. Without you guys, this literally does not work. All right, so I'm doing my keto diet and stuff, and one thing I realized is I can't do the whole kit and caboodle at one time, live. So I'm doing now like the prep work. If I do it earlier, if there's a lot of prep work to do or something, or a step that I need, I'll do that and do a video of it, and then later on I'll show you the final cooking and stuff on it. So here's what we're doing. I'm learning a couple of things. Eating well, how to save money, and how to save some time as well. Because, a lot of times you don't feel like cooking and things like that, and you say, let's just go out and eat. Well, you go out and eat, you're going to spend a whole lot more money, and you're going to be eating a lot of fats and sugars and chemicals and everything else. So, if you can eat at home, you're better off. And if you can do stuff where you're doing multiple meals at the same time, that's even better. So what we're doing is, I had a packet of chicken breast, okay? The mistake I made, of course, was it was boneless, skinless. But my wife likes chicken breast better than anything else. But I also have some chicken thighs that are on the bone with the skin too. And what we're going to do is we're going to brown this in some oil, and then we're going to add some garlic to it. We're going to add some onion peels and things like that, and we're going to make a chicken broth. So the great thing about this is, one, we got chicken broth, fresh chicken broth, okay? Second thing, we got chicken that I can make pho for today for dinner. And I also have enough chicken that I can make chicken salad with, which is great for keto. I also have enough chicken that if I decide tomorrow night I want to have like chicken tacos, I got shredded taco meat ready to go. And what I've got is, from my home center, BJ's, I got a pack of chicken breast, 5 pounds of it for $10. And I got about $6 worth of chicken thighs that we're going to do this together. So we're going to cook this stuff, just get it brown, and then I'm going to add some paste. Hold it. Chicken-based paste. So this will give me a great tasting chicken broth, and I can put that in the freezer in bottles and take it out and use it when I want to make some soup or need some chicken broth. And it'll be great for a multitude of things. If it ends up being too much chicken for you to use in a couple of days before it goes bad, well, freeze it. Take it back out and make some more chicken salad and things. And so if you got a big pot, it's advantageous to make a good bit of it, and then you don't have to worry about it for a few days. Let me show you exactly what we got in here. Okay. Pull you off. Okay. So you can see the chicken. You can see all of the herbs that are in there and stuff. And that's going to actually brown on the bottom of the pan. So when we add the water and stuff in there, that rich flavoring will stay with that. And we're going to go ahead and get some garlic. We're going to chop some garlic up and throw it in there as well. So that way you get all of these fresh vegetables in there. And all this natural flavor, and it's not costing a lot of money. I know a lot of people are like, dude, you're spending a lot of money to eat. And it's like, no, actually I don't. Because I don't roll like that. I don't have that much money to waste. I like to eat good, but I also like to be frugal on how I eat as well. Healthy and cost effective. And hopefully, I'll live a little better and a little longer. Knock on wood. And so once these pieces are brown, I'll go ahead and take these out, and I'll put some more in there. Now here's a tip for you guys. Don't wash your chicken. Don't do it. It does nothing for you. You cannot wash salmonella off on it. It's something that's inside the chicken itself. The only way you can stop the salmonella is making sure you cook it to 160 degrees and make sure you're not eating raw chicken. And what will happen is you go ahead and take the chicken, you put it in the sink, you grab a hold of it with your hands, you turn on the faucet and everything else, you spray it down with water. You're spreading it everywhere. Everywhere. And you don't want to spread the salmonella because it'll actually be more dangerous on your countertops breeding and growing. Because then the kids go through, get a cup of water, now they got it on their hands, they rub it on their face. So don't wash your chicken. Just go ahead, season it, and cook it. We'll put you a little more there. So be very, very careful with your chicken. You use a cutting board, wash it in hot water with a little bit of bleach mixture. Wash your hands with hot water soap thoroughly for at least 30 seconds. That way you don't get anybody sick. Alright, so once all this is browned, we'll go ahead and put the chicken back in there. We'll end up putting in plenty of water. We'll end up putting the chicken base in there, put a couple of bay leaves, some onions and stuff, and we're going to then let that cook. Then we'll take out the chicken, we'll pull that apart, and I'll show you that later on. We'll pull that apart so that way we have the chicken for all of our goodies, and we'll take the stock and we'll drain that, and we'll have that for days. So this is what we're going to do for dinner tonight. Tonight will be Thai spicy pho with chicken. Ooh, can't wait. I'll see you later, guys.